A is for apple, apple. B is for baby, baby. C is for coconut, coconut. D is for donut, donut. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fairy, fairy. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for head, head. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for joker, joker. K is for keyboard, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for needle, needle. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S for spider, spider. T is for tiger, the tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yeah. Z is for zebra, zebra.
A is for alligator, snapping jaws go chomp, chomp, chomp. B is for bear, big and furry, stomp, stomp, stomp. C is for cat, she purrs and plays and takes a nap. D is for dog, he barks and wags, pat, pat, pat. E is for elephant, he lifts his trunk so happily. F is for fox, F with a bushy tail, he runs so swift. G is for giraffe, with a long, long neck that's way up high. H is for hippo, with a bushy tail, he runs so swift. G is for giraffe, with a long, long neck that's way up high. H is for hippo, splashing water as he walks by. I is for iguana, she climbs and blinks so lazily. J is for jaguar, she runs through jungles wild and free. K is for kangaroo, hopping, bouncing, boing, boing, boing. L is for lion, loud he roars so loud, let's hear him sing. M is for monkey, he swings from trees and munches fruit. N is for newt, he crawls so slow in his orange suit. O is for owl, who says woo, it must be you. P is for penguin, waddling by in a tuxedo too. Q is for quail, with a thundery crown, she hops along. R is for rabbit, bouncing fast and ears so long. S is for snake, he slithers past with a hiss, hiss, hiss. T is for turtle, slow and steady, can't miss this. U is for urchin, a spiky ball down in the sea. V is for vulture, he soars up high so silently. W is for whale, who are singing deep songs in the ocean blue. X is for x-ray fish, see right through you can too. Y is for yak, hairy and strong up mountain steep. Z is for zebra, black and white he trots with glee. We've sung our A to Z with animals and sound.
A is for apple,
apple.
crunchy and yummy. B is for banana,
B, banana.
sweet and soft. C is for cherry, cherry, red and tiny. D is for dates,
D, dates. Healthy fruit.
E is for elderberry.
E, elderberry.
S for fig, F, fig.
G is for grapes, G, grapes, juicy fruit.
H is for honeydew. H, honeydew. I is for Indian fig. I, Indian fig.
J is for jackfruit.
J, jackfruit.
Big fruit.
K is for kiwi. K, kiwi. Green inside.
L is for lemon. LLM, sour taste.
M is for mango. Mango. King of fruits. N is for nectarine. Nectarine.
O is for grapes, full of juice.
P is for pineapple. P, pineapple. Q is for quince. Q, quince.
R is for raspberry. R, raspberry.
S is for strawberry.
S, strawberry. So sweet. T is for tomato. T, tomato.
U is for ugly fruit. U, ugly fruit. V is for vanilla. V, vanilla. W is for watermelon.
Watermelon. Very juicy.
X is for zigua.
X, zigua. Y is for yellow pear. Y, yellow pear.
Z is for zucchini. Z, zucchini.